Good morning.
Morning.
Today I have to go get a blood test in 10 minutes. Fasting blood test, descaling the coffee machine. So that's going on right now. We have very hard water, and when you get your water from the ocean, they desalinate it. It has a lot of calcium in it and minerals that clogs up everything and literally puts a really hard crust. Like if you have a thing that you fill with water with a plant in it, it'll have like hard crusts on it from that water. It's pretty bad. I'm leaving right now, so I have 3 appointments today. My blood test, I have to get his paper for his occupational therapy, and then we have gymnastics this evening, so it's busy. Leaving 3 times today, busy.
I'm going to go to occupational therapy after I get my blood test.
I'm getting my blood test, and I have to cut his hair because it's really getting a little feral.
Not a lot feral.
Just a little. Gotta hurry because I think I'm next.
Whoa. Look,
Smurfs.
I already got my blood test today.
This is for me, honey.
Yeah.
Appointment 1 is done. Abigail, look.
Mommy, no. No! No, Mommy!
Hold on. How do I open it? Are you okay?
I don't want you to get lost.
Okay. Why didn't you hold the alligator?
Because you're going to get lost.
Okay. So here I go again.
We're going to occupational therapy. Going to therapy.
And I did get thrown up on. She hasn't thrown up for like 2 months or something. Hey guys, hey! Yeah.
If I'm front,
Is that you?
you are not.
Did you press the button, Rafael?
What?
Press the button. We're going downstairs.
-2.
That's right. So, oh my gosh, these cheeks. Just want to kiss them all over.
0.
Abigail, look at the camera.
-1.
Boy, she's going to be a videographer.
Grab -2
Looking at that
triangle.
camera. That's right. Woohoo, let's go.
I'm front. Hulk smash.
Hulk smash?
Yeah. But Hulk smash.
Don't hurt yourself. All right, we made it. But we had to park farther away, real far. All right, let's go.
There's cars. We need to park farther.
Hi.
And you put them in a place like the picture.
See? Put it here.
Very good.
So the string comes through the hole.
No, hon.
Where does it go?
Where does it go? Look at the picture.
Yeah. So top.
Very good.
Now put it to the next one. Next red one.
Very good.
See?
Very good.
Another red one. There's another red one.
I think you missed one. Look at the picture.
Yeah.
Where should the string go from here?
Is because right here.
Yeah? Is this the right way? Look at the picture. Is this the same?
No.
No. So let's take it out. Where does it have to go now then?
You unwrap it. You unwrap the string with it.
Very good. This is the first time I'm using this game.
I just got him a tweezer game like this. He picks boats up off of the sea thing. Yeah.
It was over here somewhere. Hey, one you, one me. Now it's my turn. Only using my thumb and my finger.
You pick crabs up with this tweezers.
Take this one. Thank you. Without touching his arms. If I touch his arms, his arms, he starts laughing.
Yeah.
It tickles him. We don't want to tickle him. So we must take them out without touching him.
No.
Yeah. Now we don't have to pick them out. We can push them, kick them out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the order. Try to kick one out. Using only your thumb and your finger and the end of your thumb. Very good. Hey, it came out. Very good. You want to try again? Try have your thumb bended. Okay. Maybe I should guide you know that. Oi! With the other side of it, with this side of it. Look.
What?
Hold over here. You can hold it over here with the end of your fingers. With these ends of the fingers. Look. Look at me. With the end of a finger. And then you can use only one side. And then you can use only one side to kick them out.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Rock-a-bye, baby.
And put it in. Show me the circle. Ah, very good. Now put it in. And now take the yellow out. Show me the circle. And put it in. Very good.
It's your turn to
It's
pick
my
green.
turn. I'm putting green. And yellow. And green.
Green one.
Okay, now what color should we do over here?
I want to do red and blue.
Red and blue. How do we tell this?
That's what I want to do.
Sure. Take the red one out. Make sure the blue one doesn't fall. Show me the circle and put it in. Very good.
Like this. Keep it very still and don't drop it. And then you can show what's going on. Don't swing it around. Be very
Do you
slow.
see what's going on there? There's Mommy.
You're doing it real nice.
See it? All the sprayers. Oh, flowers. Yeah. We need to watch the water.
Too fast, okay? So nice and slow.
I want to watch the water.
Here, you can look at these things. Go nice and slow.
Here. I want the kitty. The bounty kitty with...
Right there, kitty?
I want them. I want them. I want the kitties. I want the kitties. Watch the water over here. Here's the water. It's not splashing anymore. So that's enough water. But we'll always hit the seat, the squares, jump over them, and jump too higher. See? Look. We're going down. Are we going down?
Watch where you're going.
Are we going to go down? Can we go to the down row?
Okay. RC eliminated moon. That's awesome.
We're going to buy it tomorrow.
Look how purple that is. All right, smile. Come here. Turn around, smile. In front of that purple flower. Look at me. Smile. Hurry up. He's not stepping on the cracks. You know how long it took to get this far? Oh. Yeah, okay. All right, run. Run. Run, run. Tricked. This woman's really starting to ick me off. Broken glass in my parking space. Something terrible happened. They don't believe in Band-Aids at the doctor's office. Can't find a Band-Aid ever in sight. So I bled all over my shirt. Great. This is one of like 5 shirts I can fit into right now. Awesome. All right, well, I'm going to treat that later because we actually don't have hydrogen peroxide. It's one of those things that costs a lot of money for a little bottle. So we get one and we use it up when we need it. And we don't have any. I know a bottle must be made. Okay, I got my lab results back today. See, Fleet, they email you. So they have emailed me, and this is online shopping, but this is the email. See, they email you, and then you put in your information, yada yada. This is my name, Andrea Lynn. Shalom, Andrea Lean. Andrea Lean. They spelled it wrong, but this is L-I-N basically instead of L-Y-N-N. I don't know why, but they spell my entire name out with like every single letter. So that's A-N-D-R-E-A. So yeah, that's pretty neat. Anyway, so this is my PTH, which stands for parathyroid hormone. It is extremely high, and it's gone up since last time. So I don't know what they're gonna do about that, but that's not good. It's absolutely terrible. So they have to investigate further why it keeps going up. This test was taken on August 17th, and it was 147 to 187. So it's still atrociously high, but it had gone up 40 points. And I've translated this. I use Google Translate. You just right click and click translate. But this is basically what this means. You can pause it and read it if you want to. This is my B12, and while this is low, I think it actually did go up. Oh, a little bit. So it went dramatically down when I was pregnant. Dramatically. And now it's going slightly up. So it is going up. My creatinine is still a little bit high, 103, and that has to deal with the preeclampsia. I'm almost through with preeclampsia, so that is one marker of it. This is GPT alt, and I think that has to do with the liver, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it does. Enzyme present in the liver and tissues of the body, so my liver enzymes are elevated. Okay, that was my old test where I had preeclampsia, where my liver enzymes were elevated and my creatinine was a little bit high. Okay, so that was my old test in September. The test that I'm waiting on is not done yet, but it said this one was done in September. I'm waiting on my vitamin D to be done. Okay, they're not done yet. I have to go in and look at the dates, but yeah, it says it's at work. So I'm really excited to find out if I'm healthy again. So I'll find this out probably in another hour or so. Yeah, this one is at work, the vitamin D, that's a big one. Okay, and this is what has been completed. Well, this is MCHC. This is all for like your blood. This is about your blood. So my blood's pretty good. It's not crazy amount out of range. And this is MPV. A tad high. This is just a tad low. And this is all that's ready right now. So I will be back. Okay, the delivery guy just got here, and he was supposed to come between 2 and 4, but he got here at 5. And we have to leave soon. We're missing a lot of stuff. And they didn't call me about it or anything, but we're missing a 4-pack of pop for sure, and like 3 milks at least. It didn't look like a bunch of stuff here. Pretty sure Hadar would have got more than 4, because if you buy 10, you get a discount. She crying again. Okay, got 2 flours, 1 sugar. This is for our dessert on Fridays. I got a couple of packages of these. Just rice crackers, they're really thin. Got the thick ones, got some hot dogs. We got the burritos. Got croutons. Got hamburger. Got 1 milk. 1 Nutella. Oh, okay, here's some more. Okay, we got 4 more of these. Rafael, help me. Got 2 mixed vegetables. Got, it looks like organic chicken. I don't know, I hope it's not organic. Because that costs a lot. 2 packs of schnitzel. Got some pink lady. Got some garbage. And only 1 thing of pop, and we're missing a 4-pack of pop. The Sprite for Hadar. Got some popcorn. And 3 packs of tomato sauce. Got bananas, bell peppers, and eggs. And that's it. Oh, forgot to say, we got some deli cheese. She's really crying now. Hadar got some Skippy peanut butter. And this is white cheese. And we got 5 of those. Okay. We made it. We made it. Can't wait for Hadar to get home. Because I'm done.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. FoolyLiving.
It's awesome. Can you fax it right now? I will get to it. Okay. You can see it right there. 2 videos per week on each other channel that I have. I have 4 channels. Pretty good. He put 1 arm around me. I'm doing the best that I can right now.